To connect Samsung Galaxy Buds to a TV that doesn't have built-in Bluetooth, you'll need a Bluetooth transmitter adapter. For Galaxy Buds, if you haven't set up the volume control via your Galaxy wearable app, you'll want to get an adapter that allows you to control your Galaxy Buds volume, like this one. Before we get into details, please remember to subscribe to our channel for more useful knowledge like this. Even if your TV already comes with Bluetooth, these adapters give you much more flexibility, such as the ability to connect two sets of headphones at the same time. Anyway, here's a short demo on how to connect using an adapter. First, put your Galaxy Buds on. Tap both earbuds together once, and then press and hold both earbuds until you hear beeping sounds repeating. Next, connect your Bluetooth adapter to a power source and get it into pairing mode as well. Please refer to its user manual if you're not sure how. Once connected, you'll hear one beep through the earbuds, and the indicator on the adapter will light up. Finally, connect the adapter to your TV via either Digital Optical, Auxiliary, or RCA, and change your audio signal to PCM. Now you're good to go. Still not sure? Leave your questions in the comments section below. We'll get back to you within 24 hours. Fed up with these traditional headphones? Check out our newly launched Avantree Taurus, your personal 3D surround theater. Thanks for watching.